Siguradong mapapasubo ka sa aking grilled pork chop menudo dito sa Heartmate Kitchen. Season each pork chop with salt and pepper. Pour 1 tablespoon of Jolly Heartmate canola oil in a pan over high heat. Canola oil has omega-3 and 6, which are good for the heart. Iprito ang pork chop one at a time for perfect grill marks on each side. Add another tablespoon of Jolly Heartmate canola oil to the pan. Pagkatapos, igisa ang sibuyas, bawang, chili, bay leaves, and olives. Idagdag ang tomato paste at ihalo hanggang sa maluto. Ilagay ang bell peppers, tomato sauce at asukal. Return pork back to the pan and let simmer. After 10 minutes, ilagay ang garbanzos and then remove the bay leaf and season with salt and pepper. Para i-level up ang recipe na to, I decided to add 2 things. One, to add in a bone-in pork chop, which of course gives it more flavor. And of course, with the grill marks na idadagdag dun, it gives it a little bit of smokiness. Here you go, our grilled pork chop menudo. Nako, siguradong gutom na kayo. Learn this and more delicious recipes only here at the Heartmate Kitchen. Don't forget to check out our Jolly Heartmate Facebook page for recipe details and tag me at #AskDanita so that we can connect online.